Before this video starts, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel, like and leave your comment under my video. This simple manipulation will help me promote my work to the top, and therefore more people will be able to see my content. Thank you. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone. In this video tutorial I would like to tell you about simple ways to blend colors. I will tell you about at least 4 ways of mixing colors using the example of 2 colors. This method is well suited for beginning artists, and the reason why I'm recording this video is because many beginning artists don't understand how to mix colors correctly. To find out all this, you need to watch my video to the end. Well, let's begin. In the first example, the idea is I will mix colors with a soft brush, layering color on color with minimal brush pressure. The opacity will be around 21%. Not bad for this method, you can use it, but still the color mixing is not perfect and not as fast as we would like. Perhaps the second method will be the saddest, and I tell you why. I used the finger tool for this blending method. Initially I set the trans value to 16%, but the RAM was very difficult to calculate each press of this tool, so I had to wait a long time to see the result of my clicks. Of course, it will be faster for you since I speed up the video a little. Then I tried to play around with the strength value and set it to 86%. The process went much faster, but the problem was that the color mixing was not done well. So I went back to the previous result and tried to set the value to 55%, then 63%. It's okay, but still, you know, this method turned out to be less effective compared to the first. I definitely wouldn't recommend this to you. The idea of the third method is very simple. We have a base color, we take a soft brush with a 20% opacity and begin to carefully apply the light color on top of the dark, thus creating a smooth transition from light to dark in the middle. And then you can use a pipette to select a dark color and switch to a brush to correct the edges of the dark color. Using a pipette and a brush, match the edges of the light color to the light area of the gradation of our palette. Method number 4 is probably the fastest in mixing colors. Go to the brush tool and click to select options for different brush tools. Find the Mix Brush tool, it's the very last one at the end of the brush panel. Now there will be important information. This brush blends colors smoothly only when you are working on the layer. That is, to get such a quick effect, you will need to make duplicate layer and merge them into one. I hope I explained it clearly to you. And finally, we have studied at least 4 methods of color mixing. All these methods works in their own way, some very well, some with difficulties, but the main thing is that you yourself can choose the mixing method that you need in certain situation. That's it guys for today. I hope this video was useful, and if you like my content, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified about my upcoming tutorials. So thanks for watching this video and see you at the next one. Peace. Toasty!